Wagwan KK squad, welcome back or welcome to my channel. In this video, as you can see by the title, I'll be rocking my new wig from MyWig. If you want to see this look, then keep watching.
You tell when you are buying new, be more careful though you can find dinner. I know anybody pour my drink, I know anybody buy my dinner.
So before I get started, I'm gonna be unboxing this wig. This wig is from a company on Instagram called MyWig. It came inside of this cute drawstring bag. What am I say? Cute. So cute. Anyways, what's inside the bag is the wig. It's a curly 12-inch wig, 13x6 bob curly wig. This wig is already pre-plucked. I like that. Less work for me. So now you just gotta shake it to pull the curls apart. And also this wig came with 1, 2, 3, 4 combs inside the wig. I don't really use the combs. I am more of the band method type girl. So yeah, this is how it looks close up. Also, I got some little free goodies. First thing I got is these gold clips with pearls. I don't know what they're called, but they're cute. And also I got these mink 3D hair lashes. I'm definitely gonna try that out. I got some wig caps, 2 in the pack, bobby pins, and also the band to put in the wig to make the wig snatch on your head. Yeah, that's what that's for. The next step is I'm gonna sew this band inside the wig. So this is where I'll be sewing it next to those clips. I don't know how to explain it. Hopefully I'm explaining it good enough for you guys. But I'm gonna be doing like an ear to ear with the band. I'm gonna show you why I do it so close up to the front of the wig and not so much in the back of the wig. So now I'm bringing the band across the wig to sew it next to the clip over by the next ear. Alright, yeah, I need me a wig stand. I used to have one like 3-4 years ago when I used to wear wigs a lot. Well, not really a lot, more than now. And I don't know where it is, so I need to get me a new one. But this is how it's looking after sewing both sides from ear to ear. You're gonna see when I flip the wig over and put it on my head why I put it in the front. When you put the wig on your head with the band sewed like that, the lace is gonna snatch the front lace. That part is gonna get cut off, but the edges is gonna be snatched on your head, so you don't have to be using the combs, if you get what I mean. So now I'm combing the hairline back to do step number 2. And step number 2 is to cut the lace. I don't want to cut the hair, so I'm using small clips to clip the hair back out of the way. Thought you guys could see what I was doing, but the camera wasn't focused at this moment, so it's not as clear. But I still decided to show a couple clips. The band is sewed on, the lace is cut, so now it's time to install. I say it, install, yeah. So now this lace is a bit too light for my skin complexion, so I decided to add a little powder to the lace. I know this powder is light too, I don't use it on my face, but I just use it for the wig, why not? Just to get it a little darker, like a medium brown, you know? Earlier in the video, I explained to you all why I sewed the band the way I did. So now you can actually see why I did it. when I put the band to the back of my head, you see how snug the wig is on my big forehead? Do you see that without the combs? Yeah, that's why I did it the way I did. So to apply the wig, I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glued Blasting Free Spray. I have the gels, but I just want to use the spray only because I'll be removing the wig before bedtime. Now I'm using the rat tail comb just to help to apply the wig. The back of the rat tail comb just to get the wig to be sticked with the freezing spray. So I just have my blow dryer on the cool settings just to get it to dry faster. So now I'm using a scarf to tie around my hair, and I'm going to be leaving that for a couple of minutes just to dry. 15 minutes later and I am back. For this hairstyle, I'm going to be doing a side part on this wig. This is the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oils Foaming Mousse. I'll be using that on the part just to make the hair more smooth and flat, just to make the part more realistic. Here I have conditioner and water mixed in this spray bottle just to define the curls a little more. I'm not going to be spraying too much on my hair because I don't want it to be flat. For my edges, I'll be using the Eco Style Gel. So KK gang, this is the final look. Please watch to the end to hear my thoughts on this wig. Thick, 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 thick. This hair is so thick. Yeah, love it. I appreciate the clips. I'll be wearing those in my natural hair and the lashes. Clumsy at its best. Let me know how I did with this wig. Please. Let me know if I'm getting good at it or I need more work, or let me know. All y'all wig companies, reach out to your girl. She wanna do some more reviews, get her practice. I think I did better than the first one, the first video that I did. If I had wet this some more with the conditioner, it would have looked like the first wig I had in the first video I did like 2 videos ago. But this one, I love it. The length, I love it. Call me wigaholic, because I'm gonna be a wigaholic. And I'm gonna be getting more colors. I need some blonde, I need me some plum colors, I need me some, listen, teal. I need me some colors in my life. So I'm gonna be working on that. Ain't no more black wigs. I need me some colors. Peace.